So, you want to connect GoDaddy to AWeber, but you've probably run into a few issues, right? Maybe your domain isn't verifying, emails aren't sending properly, or GoDaddy's setup isn't playing nice with AWeber. Whatever the case, I'll walk you through exactly how to connect GoDaddy to AWeber step by step, and stick around because at the end, I'll show you a much better alternative that offers an exclusive, extended free trial only through our link. Alright, let's get started. First, log in to your GoDaddy account. In the dashboard, go to My Products and find your domain. Click on DNS Settings. This is where you'll need to add the verification records for AWeber. Next, open AWeber in a new tab and go to Domains and AMP, Addresses. Click on Authenticate Domain and AWeber will give you a set of DNS records. These need to be added to your GoDaddy DNS settings. Back in GoDaddy, click Add Record and select Name for the type. Copy the values from AWeber and paste them into the correct fields in GoDaddy. Save it. Then, repeat the same process for any additional records AWeber provides, usually SPF and DKIM for email authentication. Once all records are added, go back to AWeber and hit Verify. It can take a few minutes or even a few hours for DNS changes to update, so if it doesn't verify instantly, just wait a bit. Now, let's talk about the issues people run into. If verification fails, double-check that you copied everything exactly as given. One small typo in the DNS settings can break everything. Also, if your domain is newly purchased, DNS propagation can take up to 24 hours. Even if verification works, some users find their emails going to spam. That's usually because GoDaddy's default email setup lacks proper authentication. You can fix this by enabling SPF, DKIM, and MARC settings in your DNS, which AWeber provides instructions for. So, does AWeber do the job? Yes, but there are better options if you want more flexibility, better automation, or just fewer headaches with domain verification. If you're serious about building an email list, AWeber has limitations, especially in automation and integrations compared to other tools. That's why we've linked an exclusive extended free trial to a better alternative that makes this entire setup easier, plus a few other options you might prefer. The link is in the description. Check it out and get the best deal available.